Okay, so please do not mind my face. It's been a hard day's job and I've been working all day. I'm tired. But for the sake of one of my subscribers, I want to drop this video before I sleep. Okay, so I want to drop this video because of you. I pray that as I drop this video, God will give you the understanding for you to run with it. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I did a couple of okay. So for the benefit of this video, um I had to make some notes down. I jotted some things and I will implore you to listen very well. So these are the things that you can do or how you can source for your clients. Okay, number one on my list is placing ads online. Okay, placing ads, it could be YouTube ads, it could be Facebook ads. As a fashion designer, you are online. In fact, the number one point should even be coming online. Okay, coming online. I suggest you come online. Whatever you are doing, if you are starting out, online is a free shop. Okay, do you know you can start your fashion designing business online without having a shop? Yes, you can. Your page is your shop. Your Facebook page is your shop. Your YouTube channel is your shop. Whatever you are sewing, put it online. There are AIs. If you want me to talk about it, there are some AI tools or apps you can use. Now, let me tell you a secret. Do you know that when you sew your clothes and you hang it on mannequin and snap, maybe because of the kind of phone that you are using, that cloth where you sew wey fine well well no go come fine. Yes, you have made a style and wow, people are seeing it in real life. They see it and they are like, wow, this style fine, oh, this style fine, oh. But because of the kind of phone you are using, when you snap it and you put it online, that cloth where you sew or where people they hail so, e no go come fine again. It's not your fault. It's from the phone. So there are some AI apps. If you want them, let me know in the comment section. I'll be dropping it for you. Go and download them. Whenever you snap, you put it on the mannequin. Use that AI to format it. It will come out very beautiful. Sometimes there are some AI apps that can give you models. Just tell them the kind of model, something like this one. This is an AI generated model. I mean, this human being you are seeing here is not a real human being. No be saying that the person wear the cloth. Now AI generate am. So all you need to do is tell AI that, okay, you want a plus size model, a black African color, dark skinned model wey go tie gele. Use your mouth describe to the AI the kind of model wey you want. Then the AI is going to give you that model wearing that outfit that you made. Is it surprising? Let me keep this for another video. I will show you how to do it. I will use screen recording to show you how to do it. It's very easy. Most of the people you see online that you see models wearing their clothes, na lie o, na AI generated models. So it's not like they are doing something that is different from what you are doing. It's not like they are doing something that is more, maybe they paid models. No, it's AI. Data. Do you have data? Once you have data, AI will help you to generate model. They will wear your clothes that you made. All you need to do is to download the picture and that's all. Post it on your page that this is what you made. Some of us can sew very well, but because of the kind of phones we use, when you sew and you snap, it will be looking very shabby. It won't be fine. Do you understand? So stop posting pictures that of what you made that is not like it's not good for you to post what the real picture. No, because the real owner of that cloth, when he wear am, he go fit am, he go fine. But because of the kind of phone where you use snap am, Do you get? It will look like it's not fine. So when you use your phone, I'm not saying you should go and buy an iPhone 16. I'm not saying you should go and buy Techno Camon 40 that just came out that is being sold for 353,000, because I know that you don't have it. But you can invest on AI tools online. It doesn't cost anything for you to go to your Google Play Store and download them. Ìwọ̀nba data 350 naira. Okay, now it's 500, right? Per 350 naira. But there are some cheap cheap data, cheap what is it called now? Data plans you can invest on. Download that AI tool. It will help you a lot. That's number one. So bring your work online. Now, when you bring your work online, it's not enough for you to post on your page and leave it hanging there. Because when you post on your page, it's only your friends that can see it. So when you post, always share your post. When you share your post, people will be friends of your friends go see am. Do you understand? People that are friends of your friends will see it. Now, to go a step further, you can place ads. There's something called YouTube ads. There's something called Facebook ads. Okay, you want 1 million people to see, and it's cheap. 5,000, 1 million people go see your post, go see your work. But when you are doing such a thing, when you want to place ad, you will place ads for styles that are beautiful, styles that say nobody go fit see am anywhere. So styles wey be say say then people no go to see am anywhere. Place ads. When you place ads, your page goes viral. When you place ads, that work goes viral. A lot of people will see it. Don't worry about cheating. Nobody will cheat you. If they tell you that 1 million people will see this, 1 million people will see it. Okay? And they can run that ads for you in days. That was how I grew. That was how I started my own channel online. I paid for ads. So 5,000, 3,000, 10,000, depending on. There are some pages you see, maybe like for example, Ekene Umenwa. Is it Ekene Umenwa's page? You scroll, you go just dey see am. Na lie. It's any page you see that they wrote sponsored ads, the person paid for you to be viewing the person or to be viewing their page. Do you understand? So run ads. That's number one way of getting clients. If you run ads, there's how much you take run the ads. Sometimes the ads you run it with 5,000 naira, sometimes 3,000 naira. Do you understand? And then about 300,000 people gets to see your post. 1 million people gets to see your post, depending on the plan that you went for. Now, when they see your post, that one person must chat you up. And I'm just telling you one person, just make it beside I tell you say one person. You understand? Just make it beside I tell you say one person. Most times, if I run ads, I get like 100 messages. And in that 100 messages, at least 3 must click, 4 must click, 5 must click. That's how to get clients. Then secondly, if you want to do it offline, to get clients offline, try opening a laundry. Laundry is a place where they launder clothes for people, wash clothes for people. Now, when you open a laundry, in one corner of that your laundry, you can become the secretary of that laundry and also be sewing. One corner of that your laundry, put your sewing machine there. Make sure say wetin you dey sew na wetin go dey catch people eye. It might be men, it might be women, but whatever you are sewing, in fact, do you know why? My best clients are men. If a man wan see wetin him like for him wife, the only thing wey go make am no go buy that thing na if he no get money. But if he get money, I dey tell you, go buy am, and you no go too price am. Na your fellow women, na dem go price your market, you go cry. Do you understand? So when you open a laundry, most people that patronize laundries are men. So in that your corner as the secretary of that your laundry, the only thing you can do is get a guy that will do the washing and the ironing for you. Una go bargain price wey you go dey pay am. If you want more explanation on how to start up a laundry, Just put it in the comment section and I will answer you. These are things I started. I've already showcased my laundry part in this, I don't know if it's in this channel. I showcased it. Do you understand? I don't know if it's in this channel. I talked about my laundry and I showed you people my laundry. So far you have access to water. So far you have access to light. You have a table. You get an iron. Look for a guy. More especially Togolese are very good when it comes to laundry work. So source for a Togolese that will help you to do your laundry job. That's one. That is for laundry. So you go add laundry and dry cleaning to your ready to wear business as you are starting out. Don't just carry sewing machine, just go one empty space, go sit down when you know say you no dey do anything. Do you understand? Because if I pass you today and you sit down for sewing machine, you no dey work, I pass you tomorrow, you no dey work, I will just conclude that you don't know how to sew, even though you know how to sew. But for the fact say you dey always dey sit down idle for that sewing machine, everybody go conclude say you don't know how to sew. Do you understand? So when you start up a laundry in a corner of the shop, put your sewing machine, or if you put them in front, you don't pay for the shop, now you get the shop. So if you put your sewing machine inside, if you put them outside, wherever is comfortable for people to be seeing you, put it there and be doing something. Get a mannequin, sew wetin you know say go dey enter men eye, hang am. I dey tell you, not, for example, when I started, somebody was telling me that if you know add something to your sewing, if you know go one somewhere, you go no do jazz, you no go fit blow. Na lie. You never give yourself the publicity wey you want, wey you need. Na lie. I'm telling you because it's what I have done. I did not add anything apart from normal prayer to God in my business, and I have been doing well. Glory to God. I might not have blown, but I know that I have moved from where I was when I started. Okay, I've talked about placing ads. I've talked about laundry. I've talked about showcasing your work online. Secondly, target abroad customers. Target abroad customers. Don't be scared of how you are going to get your products to them. There are some shipping lines. There are some agents wey go just collect stipends, drop whatever work wey you get abroad. Target the first place for you to see clients online is your YouTube channel, your Facebook channel, and then if you have relations outside, target pages on Facebook that the target pages on Facebook that the how do I put it now, that the participants of that or members of that page or group on Facebook are mostly outsiders. Start showcasing African wares. Oyibo no dey take eye dey see our work o. Dem no dey take eye dey see our work. So showcase it on such pages, and I tell you, one or two persons will definitely ask for your number and ask for what you can do. If you have relations outside, tell them, aunty, make I sew cloth for you, send, so that you go wear. If you wear and make you give me customers. Most, if they tell you how much they sell African wears for our brothers and sisters in abroad, you will not believe. So most of them even come down here to come and source what they wear. Now, sell fabrics. When you sell fabric, beautiful fabrics, what I'm wearing is made by me and is lycra. Okay, so when you make and you wear, people see it, they love it on your body, and before you know it, they will buy. Don't bother about clients. Just be doing things that will attract people to you. Sell fabrics. When you want to sell fabric, don't go and be buying I don't know, I just have eyes for fabric, so I hardly buy fabric that people will not. If you see my shop now, my shop is empty. I'm just waiting for chance now to go down again to Aba or go to Oshodi. It's only when I'm buying small, I buy from Oshodi, Lagos here, or I go to the island. If not, I go to Aba. I'm waiting for people that are owing me now to pay me, and then I have chance. If I have close to 500,000, I'm telling you, I sell 500,000 naira worth of fabric in just like 2 or 3 months. Don't be scared. Explore. Don't be scared. Explore. Buy fabrics. Put it. People will buy it. Don't be scared. Sometimes when I'm buying fabric, I'll tell myself, if I no sell am, I go wear am. I don't buy fabric, sew the fabric because it was expensive. Wear am. Person buy am for my body. Tell me say I need. Now this one wey you wear now I want. Go. And I pull am, wash am, dry clean am, give am, collect my money. Then create a network. How do you create network? Your friends. Your friend. I'm an introvert. I know they like to talk, go public. My sister, leave our ready to wear business for us. It's not for you. If you're an introvert and you don't like talking, leave our business for us. It's not for you. You must go out there. Go for function. Children's school parties, cultural day. Cultural day, wetin your pikin dey do, dey wear suit. Wetin you dey wear pikin suit for cultural day when you are a fashion designer? Network, go out, network, make friends. If you are the type that whenever you're online, the only thing wey you sabi talk, comment for people post na negative things, stupid woman, this and that, stop it, my sister. Learn to, you see somebody's comment on a post, you go check in DP. Wow, I love what you're wearing. I'm a fashion designer. Always be positive, and God will do the remaining for you. Apply these ones. If you apply these ones where I don't tell you now, if it work for you, come and tell me. There's a lot I have to tell you people. A lot. It's just at the time no, they just dey my side. Nah, this small thing where I talk, they don't tell me say 16 minutes. My manager don't tell me say the one where I talk don't do. So if you know say this one where I talk benefit you, tell me in the comment section that say, Mama, thank you for the one where you talk, and I go tell you another one. Thank you. God bless you. See you in my next video.